We can differentiate between can and could on the basis of ability, permission, possibility, request, and an offer or a suggestion. Let us understand them in details, okay? When we talk about an ability, can is used to express ability in present tense, while could is used to express ability in the past tense. For example, I can ride a tricycle. My aunt can sing very well. We are talking about present time abilities in these two sentences, okay? But if we say he could run fast when he was a child, then it refers to past time, the time when he was a child. So could run refers to past ability. Similarly, she could draw beautifully when she was a kid. Well, as for permission, can is used for less formal, that is informal, or less polite permissions. For example, can I use your pen? Can I take your umbrella? In both these two sentences, we are asking permissions, right? But they don't sound much formal, okay? Now, if we say these two sentences with could for the same purpose of seeking permission, then they will sound more formal. So we say, could you lend me your pen, please? Could I borrow your umbrella, please? Now this sounds much formal, is it? Well, the next point of difference between can and could is about possibility. Can is used to express general statements having some possibility, while could is used to express past and uncertain possibilities. Okay? For example, overeating can cause obesity. Here, there is some kind of certain possibility that if we overeat, it can cause our obesity. Another example, teacher can be angry if you don't complete your homework. This sentence also expresses some certain possibility. Now, when we say mother could be waiting for me, we mean that mother might be waiting for me. Now, this is a kind of uncertain possibility, okay? Because we don't know if mother actually is waiting for me or not. Next example, the war could have been prevented. This sentence talks about past possibility because the war happened in the past time, so it could have been prevented. Okay, as for requests, can is used for informal requests like, can you please help me to clean the room? Can you close the door, please? Could, on the other hand, is used to make polite requests like, could you open the window, please? Could you lower the volume, please? We can use can to offer something to someone like, I can play with you for some time. Can I help you? Could is used to make suggestions like, you could gift a book to your mother. That's all for can and could.